Hello and welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important case laws for the month of June 2022. We have also made videos starting from January 2022 for CLAT PG examination. So if you're appearing for the 2023 CLAT PG exam, do check out other videos as well. So let's start this video and discuss important cases for the month of June. So the first important case is the case of in reference T.N. Godavarman versus Union of India. It is an important case law on environmental law. It's a 3-judge bench decision. In this very important case, the court has discussed the public trust doctrine and has discussed the role and responsibility of the state in protecting the public reservoirs of the country. The court has also further held that the guidelines issued by the Center for Protection of Ecologically Sensitive Zones are reasonable. So it's a very important case because it's a 3-judge bench decision and CLAT PG has been testing the area of environmental law. So it would be important to read associated topics from this. Coming to the second important judgment, we have a case from the US Supreme Court. That is a case of Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. It's a 2022 judgment in a very important 6:3 ruling of the US Supreme Court. The court has overruled 2 landmark cases which have granted and laid down the foundation of reproductive rights in the US. So the cases of Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey have been overruled in this judgment. This judgment has been criticized by citizens of the US as well as it also attacks directly on women's right to reproductive health. So it would be important to also follow the Indian position on the right to abortion and the provisions that are given in the IPC as well as the Medical Termination of the Pregnancy Act. Coming to the third important news, before we do that, we have an official Telegram channel. So if you are somebody who is appearing for CLAT PG examination or any other competitive examination relating to the legal field, you may join our Telegram group for subject-wise daily MCQs. Now coming to the third important judgment for the month of June, we have the case of Manoj Parihar versus State of Jammu and Kashmir. In an important 2-judge bench decision, the court has clarified as to the effect a judgment has. So the court has said that the law declared by a court will have retrospective effect if not otherwise stated to be so specifically. The court has also held the doctrine of prospective overruling has to be stated in the clearest possible terms. So it's an important judgment because it does talk about doctrine of prospective overruling and in general when and how does a judgment of a court takes effect. Lastly, we have the case of State of Andhra Pradesh versus Raghu Ram Krishna Raju. In this 2-judge bench decision, the court has made important findings with respect to tribunals and High Court. So in this case, the court has held that tribunals such as the National Green Tribunal would be subordinate to the High Court insofar as the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court is concerned. The court has also made important observations on the important environmental issue of sustainable development. So with this, we have come to an end of our monthly update of cases for the month of June. Since the Supreme Court was having a vacation and that is why we don't have a lot of important judgments in the month of June, we'll be back and we will discuss important case laws for the month of July. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.